Yes, now we are discussing about the did you know facts in that the seven most important factors for getting rich. Some people believe that becoming rich is a question of luck. Historian and sociologist Dr. Rainer Gitelman disagrees whether chance presents you with a good opportunity or not is not the key question. Rather, do you actually recognize the opportunity in front of you? So, we should recognize the opportunities in front of us, or do you fail to appreciate it for what it is? As the Swiss author Max Frisch once said, chance shows me what I have an eye for. And if you do recognize your lucky break, do you take advantage of it? Do you act, or you are you someone who says maybe now is not the right time? Perhaps it is something to think about one day. This is the information. The information in this is seven most important factors for getting rich is what we are getting in the life, the opportunities we should utilize positively. But according to our capacity and capability, the opportunities comes in front of you, you should utilize properly. And you should study the opportunities and you should utilize it. Then you will become the rich. Not only become the rich, but you will lead a comfortable life. That is, I want to say.